ground is hard. Boy, he doesn't want to come out. All right, guys, this is for the Fireball Master. How about that? This guy could have had a good view of the fireworks last night. I had come down and walked him down a couple days ago, and this is the one that I showed you just a few minutes ago. I walked down all these runs, and then I came back, and here he is going back through his run again. He has tore up this place for a good while. He had went probably, I don't know, maybe 50 feet this morning, but not no more. He didn't know that I was on vacation today. God bless you all from the MOLiminator. All right, guys, this is a really long run that is really fresh this morning. I had walked this area down yesterday. You can see where he jetted off here a little bit to the left. Places like that are where they're really easy to catch. You can see it gets out to the end here, and there's a little mound, and then a couple little mounds actually. What I'm going to do is, hopefully he's in here somewhere at the moment. Probably hears me walking around. So I'm going to go back to where I think is about the beginning, and I'm going to put my foot down there, put my foot down here, and a few places along this run, so that if he is out there right at the moment, I want him to hear me coming, but I want him to be trapped wherever he's at and have to dig his way back. So now I'm just going to start walking all the run down. That's pretty fresh. I'm going to leave that molehill alone for the moment. Just try to get all this stuff mashed down as flat as you can, so that when he comes back through, you'll have a clear view of where he's at. Get this little area out just in case he happened to be out there. Walk back over it again, see if I missed any areas. That's the first thing you're going to do when you come back. See a raised up area like this. I would think he was maybe there when he's not. Walk it all down nice now. All right, we shall see.